सो कई बार हमने देखा है कि हम लिखते हैं when x is approaching to 0. ओके, तो x बहुत ही छोटा है, इट्स वेरी वेरी स्मॉल. Then generally we write sin x is equivalent to x, right? तो ये कैसे आता है कि जब x is very very small, then sin x is equal to x. ओके, सो एक तो आपने पढ़ा होगा कैलकुलस में फंडामेंटल लिमिट, राइट? सो इस लिमिट x is tending towards 0, then sin x upon x is equal to 1, right? And because of this, so basically we generally approximate that sin x is equal to x. But what is the origin of this? So basically, you can also derive this from the Taylor series. Okay. So if we write Taylor series expansion for sin x, so Taylor series expansion for the sin x is x minus x cube upon factorial 3 plus x5 upon factorial 5 minus and so on, right? यही तो होता है. अभी मान लो कि x जो है बहुत छोटा है, x is very very small, that is approaching to 0. Let's say कि x जो है वो 0.01 है, it's like very small, right? तो x cube क्या होगा? What will be x cube? So it's like 0.01 to the power 3, right? So that will be 0. So it will be like 10 to the power minus 6, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. That's not right. So see, if x is 0.01, x cube is getting very, very small. It's almost 0, right? So basically in this comparison, x के comparison में, x cube is very, very small. x5 तो उससे भी ज़्यादा छोटा होगा, right? तो इनका कोई significance नहीं रह जाता है in terms का, right? These are like negligible terms. So we can say if x is very small, और can say अगर x जो है वो 0 को अप्रोच कर रहा है, not 0 को अप्रोच कर रहा है, तो basically sin x is approximately equal to x. ठीक है? तो ये है जो बोलता है कि sin x x के बराबर हो जाता है जब x बहुत स्मॉल है, राइट? इसको आप ज्योमेट्रिकली भी दिखा सकते हो, ठीक है? बट दिस इज द टेलर सीरीज व्हिच टेल्स यू दैट sin x x के बराबर है जब x बहुत छोटा है. ओके,